So today's workout is 17 minutes working the booty and the abs. I have a Spotify playlist to dance along to, and let's go. All right, give me a nice deep breath up and push it away. Another deep breath and push. One more. Hold it in, set those intentions, and let it go. We're gonna squat it down. It's down and push. Down, up. All right, so that booty's going back. Push those arms away. Down and up. Feet are parallel. Bring mat core together. Keep it going. And push. All right. We're gonna bring those knees up high. Pull down those arms. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down, pull. Let's get a little twist, right? We're working those obliques here. You can hop, up. Keep it going, lift. Keep it up, let's go. Knees are high. Keep it up. All right, give me one more knee. Hold it down and pulse, 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 pulse. Down and lift. Send that booty back. Back nice and flat. We're gonna warm up those thighs. Get them ready for today's exercise. All right, hold it. Knee goes in. Sink down low. Keep it going. And knee. All right, biggies coming on. Take it to a jack. Up. Keep it going. Want the heart rate up. Really feeling that burn. We're gonna have such a fun workout today, right? I mean, 17 minutes. Keep it up. And push. Get that blood flowing. You're gonna be feeling great after this workout. Keep it up. And jack it up. All right. We're gonna take it back to that squat. Lift, lower, up, and down. Nice and slow. Catch that breath. Guys, drink water anytime you feel. In between songs is always a great way. In and down. All right, hold it here. Hamstring curl. Push. All right, pull it back like you have a rope. Get that heel to that booty. Keep it up. I feel like I'm gonna have to change my hair. All those jumping, right? Pull and pull. Feel those hamstrings working. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, I'm gonna grab some weights, tighten up this little top knot here, and I have just a pair of 2-pound weights. Get into a wide V, roll back those shoulders. Bring in those squats. Down and lift, down, lift. Push it up, let's go. Breathe. Lots of thigh work, lots of booty work here. Keep it up, let's go, let's go. All right, both arms down, up, down, lift, extend, 4, 3, 2, hold it here. Now send it back, back. Those obliques, right? Send it back. Extend that bicep. Now sink down low. Get lower. Feel the sides burn. Keep it going. All right. Pulse, pulse, pulse. And lift. You got it. All right. That left leg, bring it in, out, out. In. 4, 3, 2, hold it here. Now kick it back. Out and in. Out and in. Out. So you're kicking that heel out on that angle. Feeling that glute down. All right, 4 more. And 3. Last 2. Hold it here. 4, 3, 2. Last one, take it down, down. All right, we're gonna work that other side. So bring that left leg in, hold it low, in. Keep it going. Sink down low, that's standing leg. You're gonna feel it, let's go, in. Give me 4, 3, 2. All right, send it back, it's back, and down. Stand back. Keep it going. 4, 3, 2. Give me 4, hands. 4, 3, 2. Last one, hold it low. Down. Pulse, 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 pulse. Hold it low. Lift up those weights. Hold it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. All right. I'm going to drop those weights. Drop down to the mat. You're going to get, that bottom leg is going to extend long on that forearm. Arm overhead, we're going to pull in that top leg. Pull in that knee. In and out. Whew. All right, working those abs now. We're still going to get into that outer edge of the glute, those outer thighs. All right. Now from here, we're going to keep that top leg motion. We're going to push up on that bottom leg. So pull it up and down and lift and lower here. Bend that knee. Lift. Lift. Extend that leg out long. Give me 4 more. And 3. Last 2. Hold it here now, extend that leg forward, in and back. The more you hover over that ground, the more you're gonna feel it in that side. Those obliques are working here too. In, out. Keep it going. Nice and long. All right. Now, hold that knee in, come down to that bottom leg. We're gonna lift up and diamond out those knees. Tap it down, lift it up. Tap it down and lift. And up and down. All right, give me 4 more. And 3. Last 2. Last one, hold it down. Now send it out and in. Now donkey it, so send it long. Now flex that foot, out, and up, and long, and lift. Keep on breathing, out, and up, and long. All right, hold it here, pulse it up, let's go. It's pulse, pulse, Foot is flat. And lift. Keep it going. Lift. All right, we're gonna keep that knee high. And we're gonna twist that hip so that it goes to that fire hydrant and up. If that's not working for you to open up that hip, you can just keep it here, little pulses. All right. Hold it in that fire hydrant now. Take it down to that knee and circle it back and down. I'm actually tapping the wall behind me, but just imagine you have an imaginary wall if you're not closer. You don't want to get scuff marks on your wall like I am probably, but just open up. All right. Give me one more. Hold it down. All right. Let's get ready for that other side. On that forearm. Bend that bottom leg. Lift. All right. So now we know what's going on this side, right? Pull it in. Nice and long reach. It's always great to take the opportunity to stretch. Pull it up. I know that second leg, you start to feel it, right? Lift. Use that breath. Ready? Come on that bottom leg. Let's go. It's lift and lower. Up. Bring it up. Lift. Up. You got it. Pull that arm, send it long. Let's go. In. Give me 4, 3, 2. Hold it up. Extend it forward, forward. Bend. Long. And in. Out. In. Breathe it. Keep it going. And long. All right. Hold that knee. Send it down. Now come up. Tap it down. Diamond. All right. 4 more. And 3. And 2. All right. Last one. Come up on those knees. All right. That leg, send it long. In. It is long. Flex in donkey. Now I'm on my forearm here. You can stand up. You can come on those hands. I find that this helps me keep those hips square. Down. And you can also see me a little bit better. All right, hold it up. Give me those pulses. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Lift, up. You got it. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Get ready, twist that hip. Open and close. Open. So it's a fire hydrant and a donkey. Fire and donkey. Keep that knee up nice and high. Hold it here. Bring it to that other knee. Down and back. Feel that stretch in that hip. Hold. I know, I feel it too. All right, 4 more. Last 3, 2. All right, last one. Woo, final song, guys. Get down that back. We're gonna really work those abs. All right, shoulder blades down. Lift, lift, lift. Pulse, up. All right, feet are flat. Core is engaged. Bring it up. Keep it going. All right, send it down. Now bridge it, lift, lower, lift. All right, bring it up. Those glutes are lifting up. That invisible string is going from that belly button to that ceiling. Now ready? Combo this with a crunch. So it's crunch, down, bridge, and lower. Crunch it up, down, lift, crunch, lift. All right, hold it in that bridge. Bring that right leg up. Now send it down and lift, down and lift. Tap that hip down, lift it up, down. You got it. Hold it up, now tap that heel, sorry, that foot goes to that knee. Lower and lift. Give me 4 more. 3, 2. All right, that knee comes on that, the heel comes on that, bring it up, sorry. All right, so that ankle is on that knee, and we're crunching up. We have that nice oppositional pull. That top leg's pushing away that bottom leg. All right, give me 4, 3, 2. All right, last one. Send it down, come to that bridge, lift that left heel nice and straight. Now dip and lift, down and lift. Core is tight, down. Point that toe, touch that ceiling. 4, 3, 2. Hold it here, now tap that knee and lift, tap. Keep it up. And dip. 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. Put that ankle on that knee and crunch it. Lift up. Bring that chest nice and open. Elbows to the side. Push away that leg. Give me 4, 3, 2. Last one. Both knees and elbows. Bring it crunch, crunch. Bring it together. This is your final move. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Woo! And you are done.